How to open an image on PhotoPea. Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can easily open up an image in PhotoPea. This is an online photo editing site which you can use to edit your photos. First thing you're gonna have to do is open up your web browser and go to photopea.com. And now you're gonna have to create a new project here, or you could drop any files here. So let's just go ahead and open up a file for Instagram story. Click on create. Now you've successfully created a blank canvas. And if you want to import an image, the first thing you can do is just open any files on your device and move it to the side, your file explorer. I'm going to go to pictures, and you can just go ahead and drag and drop the picture right here. Now you can just play around with it, increase its size, edit it however you want. The next step is to go to File, go to Open, and it will again open up your File Explorer. Just go ahead and go to the photos that you want to insert. So let's just go ahead and insert this picture right here. Click on Open. And now the other photo has been imported here as well. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.